Hello, welcome to my channel. I'm Sonae. I have a what's in my bag for you, and it's this Juicy Couture bag right here, and it is the Rolling On Satchel in the color Pink Diamond. Here's the card. I purchased this bag from TJ Maxx, and it is exclusive because it is pink inside. Okay, I really love this bag because of the gold hardware. It has the pretty, charms on the outside, the chain and the key, and then has the little heart here, and it's a mirror on the other side, and then has the heart locket right here. So yeah, I thought it was so pretty. And then the partial gold chain, and it all just shining so pretty. And then you have the hearts here. It says Juicy, or no, it has a J on it. I think it's JC. It has a JC on it. Little hearts on here. All the little gold accents make this purse so pretty. Turn on this side. Same way here. Oh, these on the back doesn't have JC. No, they don't have JC. I have this pocket back holder on here that I got from Bath and Body Works. She's so cute. She lights up. You press on the back of her head. And the sanitizer I have in here is Sunshine and Lemon. That's what I have inside of her. Okay. And then over here on the front, I did add this little cute little bow right here. A little heart on there. So I did add that to the bag. And so let's get started. Let's get started with the outside. Now, on each side, it has a pocket. So in this pocket here, I have my ear pods. Those. And these. And the pockets are real deep in here too. So, yeah. And then over on the other side, I just have some tissues for my knee soap. Okay. And this is the overview of how it's looking in the inside. Okay, it does have a slit pocket in the front, and then the slit pocket in the front. I have this hand sanitizer, and this is from Wish, and this is Pineapple Dream. Even though I have a hand sanitizer on the back, sometimes I'll be wanting to spray, so that's why I have the spray in there. But sometimes I'll be wanting to spray instead of the gel. This Pineapple Dream smells good too. Yeah, so hand sanitizer in that slit pocket. That's the only thing that's in there. Next, I have this cute little case right here. This is my wallet. It has the little cute little bow on there. And so I just thought it looked cute with the bag. And inside here, I just have my cards, my debit card, library card, Sam's Club card. Yeah, that's basically it in here. And then on the outside, it has a slit pocket, and I have my driver's license in the slit pocket. Then I have this cute little pouch. In this pouch, I just have my keys. And this is from Juicy Couture too. And then I just have my nursing license and CPR card in the little slit right here. And I have this Juicy Couture lotion. Here it is. This is My Melody Mirror. And I got this from Aniso. Opens up like this. And so there it is. I have this body spray or perfume. This is Nicki Minaj Pink Friday. I have this cute little pouch in here. This little pouch and this pouch and another pouch that I have, they came together. It's like a three pieces. This one right here. So it's a 3-piece set. They came together. Okay, so but I split them up so I can use them, in different bags stuff. So in here I just have some gum, some Tylenol, Benadryl, and some antacids. So that's what's in here. Gum, antacids, and then Benadryl and Tylenol in that other little case there. Next is this pouch is my makeup pouch right here. So in here I have my strawberry pound cake Berry Delights lip oil. NYX butter gloss. This is the Gingham Glow lip gloss. I have some lip balm in this little container here. My nail kit and my facial blotting sheets. And then I have my lip pencil by NYX lip pencil and some cuticle oil. Oh, and I do have a pair of tweezers down here too. Tweezers. Okay. All right, team. Okay. Next in here, I have my breath spray. This is my bathroom pouch. And I just have some wipes in here, hand sanitizer wipes, antibacterial wipes. Makeup removal wipes, feminine wipes. I got another feminine wipe in here. Bathroom spray. Soap sheets. Expandable towel. Lens wipe. And that's it. And that's all that's in there. Okay. And my flossers and this little my melody box here. This is my little planner notebook. That's where I write down some things if I need to, or some things I need to buy, anything like that. I put it in here and carry it in my purse. Next, this is my planner, and this is not a planner for me to plan my day. This is a planner for me to keep up with my workout. So that's what I got this planner for, and to keep up with my meals, because I write down meals and stuff that I did eat or whatever. So I'm keeping up with that. What I eat for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. And then my workout, I am keeping up with that. So that's what this is, showing how I did 30 minutes on a treadmill on Thursday and Friday and Saturday. So, and then the next week I got treadmill, and I'm gonna add the ski machine. Treadmill for 30 minutes, ski machine for 10 minutes. So that's what my goal is gonna be next week, is adding a ski machine for 10 minutes. So every week I'm adding something different, adding something else to my workout. So yeah, so that's what this is for. So I keep this with me. So if I happen to get something to eat, I write it down, that I ate, what I ate so I can keep up with, yeah, to make sure I'm eating my 3 meals a day like I'm supposed to. That's basically what it is, because I'm not used to eating 3 meals a day. Because most time breakfast, I don't care anything about breakfast usually. So, but because I'm doing what I'm doing, I have to eat 3 meals a day. So that's the way of keeping up with it. Okay, that's it in the bag, and you can see the bag is pink inside. So, yep, pink inside. Now in the back pocket here, I have some pens. So yeah, that's it. That's all that's in the back pocket. All right. So I'm gonna set this up, and I'll be right back so y'all can see everything together. Okay, y'all, that's it. That's everything that was in my bag. So I hope y'all have enjoyed this video. If you have, please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to like and comment. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, come on over and subscribe to my channel so you won't miss out on any of my videos. And don't forget about that notification bell, because that lets you know when I post new content, okay? All right. Well, I hope everyone have a great beginning of the week, and I'll see y'all next time. Bye.